Lineage Logistics Honest Review. Watch before using. Most people get logistics and cold storage wrong. They think it's just warehouses and trucks. The surprising truth about Lineage Logistics is how it leverages technology to manage temperature-sensitive supply chains, and you won't believe the scale of efficiency they achieve. Here's how it works. Lineage Logistics specializes in temperature-controlled warehousing and supply chain solutions for food, beverages, and pharmaceuticals. Their network of facilities across North America and Europe allows businesses to store, manage, and distribute products efficiently. For example, a frozen food company shipping nationwide can rely on Lineage's integrated storage, transfer, and tracking systems to ensure products remain frozen from warehouse to retailer. Most people get this wrong. They assume cold storage is static, but Lineage uses advanced software for inventory optimization, predictive analytics, and real-time monitoring. Additional features include automated picking systems, cross-docking capabilities, and sustainability initiatives to reduce energy use. Clients benefit from reduced spoilage, faster delivery, and better inventory visibility. However, there are considerations. Costs can be higher than standard warehousing, and businesses must integrate systems with Lineage's platform. Most people assume any logistics company can handle temperature-sensitive products, but Lineage's specialization is key to reliability and compliance. In conclusion, Lineage Logistics is ideal for businesses needing efficient, scalable, and secure cold storage solutions. Their combination of technology and infrastructure makes them a leader in the industry. Subscribe now for more honest reviews of logistics and supply chain solutions.